Here's MD Clock widget app. This app is developed by the same team who did MD Vinyl widget, and this app won a few Apple Design Awards. And this is like a clock widget which you can install on your phone, and yeah, you can use it. Like, why would you use this app compared to standard clock app? Well, because it has all these original designs which are really nice, and it's very customizable, and it has won like Apple Design Awards and all of that. However, yeah, I think you need to upgrade to MD Clock Premium in order to access all these widgets. But to install it on iPhone, you just have this widget, you can customize it, and then you can just tap and hold, and then you will be able to add search here widgets MD Clock, and then you will be able to add this. In the free version you can only add classical one, I think, for free. Otherwise you need to upgrade. So for example, here I can just add widget, and there you have it. That's the widget here. You have your theme, light, dark, black, effects, you have background image. You can also add that, you can change it. So yeah, and then it works as well. For me, there was some issue where when I tapped the app and searched for the MD Clock, I couldn't find it. So what I did, I just restarted my phone, and then it started to work.